Hi, I'm Meg Caswell, and this is Welcome Home Angel. And I'm so excited because the Design Network has teamed up with Welcome Home Angel to transform spaces for children with special needs. Welcome Home Angel's designers have been hard at work completing and transforming each space to suit the child's special needs. We believe every child with special needs should have a welcoming home. Today's angel is Netta. She has cerebral palsy, a seizure disorder, and some cognitive deficits. She is a special girl who is very strong, beautiful, has just learned to walk.
Full speed ahead.
And her family is so excited for Welcome Home Angel to come in and give them this great renovation. I have found the best designer, Bridgett Mazer, who has an interior design company here in Wilmington, North Carolina. So let's get in there and meet this incredible family. Come on. Hi, guys. Welcome Home Angel's here.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Annetta.
And I'm Matt, and our daughter's Netta.
I'm going to be doing a new design for their playroom hangout room and also Netta's bathroom.
When we bought this house, we hadn't had Netta yet. There's definitely some areas that aren't quite working for her unique and what we think are wonderful needs. So we really love the downstairs room. We use it a lot. Netta really loves being down there. We can get outside pretty easily. We can do our projects in the garage. But really, it's been a hard room to use because the space isn't really working out. Netta's moving a lot more, and it's harder to keep her safe.
Right now, there's a lot going on in the playroom hangout room. We have a carpet that needs to be pulled up so that Netta can walk easier. We have a lot of storage issues and things all out around the floor that could really be hard for Netta to navigate around the room. There's a lot of mixed textures, colors that makes it feel a little bit chaotic, and so I just really want to calm that down, make it more usable for her, and have big storage pieces to store all of their toys and things that will really make her thrive.
The big surprise is that we're going to make a custom swing for Netta. Netta loves the swing probably more than anything, and it's her go-to when things are getting chaotic and crazy and she just needs to calm down. She actually loves to get in the swing and spin until you're dizzy watching her. I was able to go to the design workshop and pick out great fabrics, so we're almost at the finish line of this project. I can't wait to see everything come together. It's going to be so exciting.
Her bathroom definitely is something that has been a challenge for her and for us. And just the overall living room just needs to be a little bit more, as we say, Netta friendly.
Her tub was very hard for her parents to lift her over and get her into. One of Netta's favorite things to do is to take a bubble bath, and that's sort of her wind down time and cool down time for the parents as well. So we're definitely going to make the tub a top priority.
We just met with Bridgett, and she showed us her ideas, and she totally gets us. She understands Netta's needs, she understands our style. It's wonderful.
Hey, Bridgett.
Hey Meg, how are you?
Good. How's it going?
It's going great. We've got a lot going on today. We wanted to surprise them with easier access outside, so we've got a barn door, we've got the washer and dryer placed further back, we've got the rug coming today, some of the furniture, and we got a lot going on.
Any family with a special needs child really needs easy accessibility, safe pass-through areas. So if she's outside all the time, that's great.
Exactly. There was a lot of congestion in this area. The washer and dryer was out. There was a door coming into the way, so now we have solved the problem.
Well, I am sure they're really excited. I can't wait to check back in and see everything. Are you getting ready for the big reveal?
I can't wait.
Keep working hard. Okay, you guys, today is big reveal day. Are you excited?
Oh, yeah.
So excited.
You're ready to get back into your house?
We're ready.
Bridgett's ready for you guys, so let's do this. All
right.
Follow me.
Welcome to your new space. This is amazing.
Man, look at that.
This is incredible. Oh my gosh.
This is the same room?
It is.
What? Look at this.
I can't wait to see
Yeah.
that.
We We got you a new swing, Netta.
We are so excited.
Yeah, it's
mean,
unreal exciting.
this room is beautiful.
Oh, man!
Bathroom's incredible. She's gonna love it. It just seems like, aside from it being safer for her, it's safer for us, for our backs, getting her in and out of the tub.
One wonderful thing about the tub that we bought is it's walk-in, so she can walk right in instead of her parents having to lift her over the side of the tub. And then we also did a new vanity with extra storage for towels and toys.
Now Netta can be as independent as she wants to be without us having to hover her the whole time. It's gonna be great. Oh, I love it. These shelves are so cool.
Thank you.
So cool.
The photography.
Look at that family. Who are those people?
Who are those models?
Who are those people
You guys look like
posed?
models.
The new TV will be loved. It's going to be beautiful. We entertain a lot, and Netta's getting into TV more, so she'll be able to see things.
We are so happy Welcome Home Angel found us. I would say the best part of it is the tub. We could never have done that on our own, and it's so perfect for her, and it's beautiful on top of that.
Netta's always been into the swing. She has been doing it since she was a little kid, and now she's got a brand new swing that she's going to be able to use for years to come, and she loves it.
And it's so much safer than her old one.
Yes.
It's amazing.
Definitely. Go, Netta!
So happy.